Hi everyone. Today we'll see to how to create a developer org, Salesforce Developer Org. You have to type this URL in your tab developer.salesforce.com/signup. Then enter. Once you enter, it will open up the one uh, UI. Then here you have to type your email ID, means work email ID or personal email ID, because it will send a verification, reset password email to your email ID. For that purpose, you need to add your valid email address. And then click on this these two check boxes and click on the sign me up. Once it will send the email to your email ID. First, reset your password. uh, it will take up 2 to 5 minutes sometime, so wait for that. See here, I got this link, like then click on this link and then reset your password. This is here will be the mention the your username, and you have to reset your password by this email id, email link. once you re- Once you reset your password, now you have username as well as a password. Then how to log in that uh, Salesforce org. So type login.salesforce.com and enter. Now you have a username and you have a password, and then try to log in it. Once this one is done, you will redirect to your org. Like this, you will be the you will get a org UI. So thank you.